good evening everyone. Here's the tarot card of the day. So let's shuffle first the cards. So we have here the so we get three cards. So the first one is the Ace of Wands, which means this is the time to take actions, and this is about um, new ideas, and create a spark. So the second one is the Four of Wands, which is it's a time, or it's a tick, or it is which means take a moment and celebrate your wins and connect to your loved ones. So the other one is the Hierophant. So this is about um, spiritual guidance and mentorships. So sometimes it is good to follow. It is good to follow the path and learn from those who came before. So by the combinations of this Ace of Wands, Four of Wands, and the Hierophant, so it states that you are being called to explore a new creative path that is connected to your heritage or spiritual values. So you have to trust the process and follow the guidance of mentors or traditions that resonate with you. So that's all guys. Bye bye and God bless everyone.